Christian, and this is Anthony. And we're going to be talking to you today about your emerging market, data oracle, and executive price for your. We have a larger team, we have Jeff in the audience here. We also help financial institutions issue, anchor, and manage digital assets. So if you want to do that or are interested in that, feel free to find us here at the conference. When we looked at Sorban, one of the things we felt was missing was emerging markets data and excellent volatility price feeds. Let's say that you are a lending vertical, and your users are taking out loans in currencies that are not their main ones, not their national currencies. Let's say that you are Nigerian and you're taking out a loan in US dollars. If your Nigerian naira depreciates in relation to US dollars, then your interest payments will rise relatively, and you'll be at more of a risk of default. Your users will be at a higher risk of default. This is one reason why we created lightecho, to enable lending markets and users own national currencies, and importantly also to allow users to hedge against these fluctuations. We're very excited to have just today talked to various teams that want to integrate with us already, and now Anthony will talk a little bit more about why more should join us.
Yeah, so we looked at, there's obviously, like Sorban came out, they were sort of second, came out after Ethereum. We've kind of done the same thing. We looked around at Chainlink and other existing oracles and tried to figure out what can be done better or equally as well. So we looked at data accuracy. We want to make sure we have uptime in the backend data feeds. So basically we have different partners providing the data feeds. There'll be diversity of data feeds. There'll be checks to verify that the data is correct. The server's up. There's no token, so that's a little bit different from Chainlink. So you don't have to pay to use the data. And there'll be resistance to manipulation. We've already got SDKs available, so it should be like one line of code to integrate. We'll have SDKs for Python, JavaScript, and then we've got examples in Rust, so you can call it. Right now we've got a JS Fiddle, which you can go on there right now and play with it. We've got an example contract that we did. So it should be really easy to get started. In this example, maybe not, maybe it didn't work, but so there was a video of a fiddle, and in the fiddle he was looking at, you click and there's an up-down contract where it's pulling data into and storing it and then looking at the next thing. So again, we've got different SDKs, probably have 5 lines of code integrated, and then we've got bounties for those who prove that they've integrated it.
And that video is outdated. We have a new one out, which will be fine.
We deployed to testnet, when did we go live in testnet? A week or 2 ago, with a few little hiccups. The JavaScript library was initially out of date, and that now is good. We are doing an audit. We're getting a third-party auditor to come and have a look at our Rust smart contract. We've got an example code that we did for Sorban-a-thon. And then we'll initially be starting with excellent data, excellent volatility feed. So you should be able to, if you're interested in making a smart contract that's an option, come and meet with us. We might have some funding for that. We're going to do like an excellent USD option contract that could be interesting. And then we still have some updates in terms of the verification of uptime, verification of data versus like finance or versus other third-party providers.
Thank you, and come and find us. It's really great.